Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Taryn. Guys, it's been a while. I don't know what has taken me this long, but look, we're in my new office. I am so excited to be here. This bang keeps getting in my way. I have my new red ears on that Chris actually got me at one of the Cast Connection days. I'm super in love with them. We all know that red is my color. Red lips on. We got our Mickey Santa on. We are ready to go because we have a Bibbidi box to open. It is Christmas Eve and I have wanted to open this since yesterday, but I saved it for today for you guys. So if you want to see what's inside, then keep on watching. Knowing what a Bibbidi box is, they are a subscription service. They have so many fandoms to choose from. There's Disney, there's Marvel, there's Harry Potter, there's literally everything and anything that your heart desires. They have subscription boxes that are as small as just a little pin to as big as this ultimate box, which has so much stuff inside. I can't wait to show you guys. I don't really have the perfect setup yet, so we're just chilling in my chair. I'm just gonna open it up on my lap because oh my god, so I'm always the worst at opening these things. All right, first look, we have their gorgeous red pouch. Normally they put the stuff inside of this red pouch. I have my little white one from Halloween. Super, super cute. And it also has a little drawstring on the side. You can put some cute little Christmas packages up in here. The first thing right on top is a pin. It is one of my favorite ducks. It says Bah Humbug. I love this so much. Scrooge McDuck is my favorite, and it's one of my favorite little movies, Mickey's Christmas Carol. If you have not seen that, and you haven't seen the new DuckTales, then you're sleeping under a rock because this is the best. Bah Humbug is right. 2020, man. Christmas is not the same. This year I'm not going home for Christmas. It really stinks. It just feels weird, so this is amazing. I get to open up a little gift. The next thing is, ooh, a shirt. I love this so much. I want to put it on. It says Very Merry on one side and it's on Comfort Colors, which are literally my favorite shirts ever. And then guys, look at the back. It says Once Upon a Christmas Time. This is the song that plays during the parade. So cue that music. I miss it so much. We're gonna put this on. Hold up. Just like that. We just got so festive. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. Let me see if I can move my hair. Come on now. That is the cutest shirt. Let's continue. We have a candle. Bubble wrap is so fun to play with. Okay, I'm done. We have the Bah Humbug candle from Wishes Candle Co. These are some of the coolest candles. I believe they have pins inside of them. What does Bah Humbug smell like? Oh my gosh. It smells like a Christmas tree. I can't even tell you. So I went to the Bath and Body Works candle sale, the $10 candle sale, and all I wanted was a Christmas tree scented candle. Could I find one? No, couldn't find one. So went to Target, went to all these stores, and all I wanted was a Christmas tree smelling candle. I have an artificial tree. It doesn't smell like Christmas tree. All those little scenticle things that you can put on the trees were gone everywhere. So I didn't have a candle that smelled like a Christmas tree. And holy cow, this candle smells like a Christmas tree. And can we just talk about how cute the packaging is with the Bah Humbug and the coins and this beautiful gold glitter. And then on the inside, green glitter. I'm all about the glitter, guys. This is amazing. So thank you so much, Bibbidi. I love it. We have a lounge fly. So this is what I saw when I first opened it. I'm gonna have to replace my ears now too. Look at these guys. Oh my goodness. So these are like a faux leather like a pleather, and it has like a little velour bow, and it's just like little cookies and like little Mickeys of like Minnies and Mickeys and gingerbread. All right, hold on. We gotta get this. All right, tags are off. This one is, I'll probably end up taking off too, but I'm gonna leave it on for now. Look at the side, has Loungefly all the way down it. The inside of these ears is also all lined with that like velour type. It's so pretty. So let's switch into these. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. These are so lightweight and so pretty. Oh my goodness. I have the whole outfit on now. Like, look at how cute this is. Last but not least, we have the big guy. And I don't know. This is like, I might need scissors for this one. Hold on. All right, we got our scissors. We're gonna open this thing. This thing is like super packed. It was sealed so tight, so when I just opened it up, it went opened up. I'm gonna have to like stand up for this one. First of all, Sherpa on the inside. I'd like go like this, but I'd get makeup all over it. Sherpa on the inside, and then let me back up. Guys, look at this Bibbidi blanket. Again, the same pattern as my ears. Super cute. And then this is the other side. And it's pretty big, like, it's pretty big. I can wrap this around myself and walk through the house. This is gonna be my blanket that is my go-to. I have a feeling it's gonna be great. That was everything in my box. So if you are looking for a Bibbidi box, not even just for the holidays, if you miss Disney, if you are a fan of Marvel, if you are a fan of Harry Potter, they have so many boxes, guys. They are an incredible subscription service. They look into every single thing that you guys like. It's so personalized. They send out like little questionnaires so that they can see exactly what you like. It is incredible, and the women that work there are literally my favorite people on the face of the planet. So definitely check out Bibbidi. I will put all of the links down below. Give them an entire look. Of course, I have some coupon codes for you. If you are looking for some of their fitness wear, then you can use the code Taryn15. And if you are looking for a Bibbidi box, then Taryn10 will take $7 off your very first subscription. So go check them out. I promise you will not regret it. You will have the best time going on their website. They also have, I almost forgot, they also have like Loungeflies and other products that you cannot find anywhere. Like, I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on Bibbidi. Check them out. Let me know what you guys get. If you end up getting a subscription service, then I am so excited for you, because when you get your first box, you are just going to be so in love with everything. I promise you. I will put my information down below so that you can check me out on my Instagram, on my blog, Facebook, whatever you guys want to find me on. It's usually all Dream Along with Taryn anyway, so thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, then definitely hit that little bell so that you know every single time that I come back on. I will be making more videos during this break. I am a teacher, so I've got the next 2 weeks off to get some videos in. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you want to see next from me. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday, and hopefully we'll see each other before the new year. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.